Good morning, children. Let us start the day with a smile on your face. Yes, today I'm going to take English literature. So be ready with your James Reader book. Yes, please take out your James Reader book. Are you ready? I hope by now most of you have bought your books. Please see that you purchase your book, otherwise on the long run, it will be a problem to follow the class. Is clear, my dear children? Yes. Now before I start the class, let me tell you, most of you are so good children that you don't keep your shoes, your books, your toys, your bags in proper place. Yes? You're a good children, no? That's why you don't keep, isn't it? Bad children to always keep their things in right place. Yes. Am I right or wrong? No. Oh, yes, may I know? Yes. Good children always keep their things in proper place. Where mommy tells to keep their things, they keep it there. Your book should be in your book place. Your shoes should be in your shoes place. Your dresses should be kept in dresses place. And you should keep your bed neat and clean. After playing toys, you should keep all your toys back to the place. Yes, and that is why you know, if you don't keep your things in proper place, either you may lose them or you may meet with an accident. How? If you keep your shoes or bag on the floor, if somebody doesn't see, you don't see, you might topple over it and you may fall and get hurt. Understood? So from today, you all are my good students. I want you all to keep your things in proper place so that mommy, daddy feels very, very happy about it. I will also feel happy. So you should now, you're in class 1, you should now learn to keep all your things in proper place. So today I'm going to teach you all chapter 3. Chapter 3. Page 18. The chapter name is Why Did Seema Fall? The chapter name is Why Did Seema Fall? Sit down quietly and listen. Now I'm going to tell you, read out this chapter and explain you. It's a very nice story, okay? This is Seema's room. You see in your book the picture, it is Seema's room picture, okay? Follow as I'm reading, you please follow. It is a small room. How is the room? It is very small. It has a bed, a chair and a table. In Seema room, what 3 things are there? A bed, 1 chair and 1 table. The curtains are blue, the bed cover is also blue. So in the room, we find they have got curtains in window. Those curtains are what color? They are all blue in color. And the bed sheet is also blue in color. So what we came to know, in Seema's room is very small. There is a bed, 1 chair and 1 table. And the curtains are blue, also the bed cover is also blue. Now next, Seema's room is untidy. You know what do means untidy? Means everything is not at all clean. Is fully not in order, means untidy. Understood, children? It's not at all clean, so it's said to be untidy. Everything scattered, things are not in kept proper places. Her school bag is kept on the floor. It is nice to keep your school bag on the floor. As you finish studying, you should keep your bag in proper place. The school bag was kept in which place? The school bag was kept on the floor. Her books are lying on the bed. Where did she keep her books? The books were all on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? It is under the bed. See how Seema kept her shoes? She kept one shoe on the chair, another under the bed. Very bad. You should not do that. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. She has a teddy. Seema has 4 toy cars. She has building blocks. Now we will come to know what other things she has got. First of all, came to know that she didn't keep her bag in proper place. It was kept on which place? On the floor. Secondly, all her books was lying on the bed, which should have been kept inside the school bag or on the bookshelf. No, she kept it on the bed. Third point, we came to see one shoe, she kept it on the chair and another shoe under the bed, which is not at all good. All shoes must be kept at proper place. Where is Acha? Now Seema has many toys. We came to know that she has got many toys. Like she has got one teddy, one toy train and 4 toy cars. And she also got a building blocks. You know those colorful blocks which you set up and make a house, you make a hut, you make a cart. You get this puzzle box over there. Building blocks you get. Most of you have already got. So she has got that toy also. Next. Seema likes to play with her toys. You also like to play with the toys, no children? Every children likes to play with toys, yes? Seema also likes to play with toys. But she does not put them back. She plays with the toys and she keeps scattered everywhere. She doesn't, after playing, you should put your toys back to a proper place. But Seema did not do that. The blocks on the floor, she kept all the blocks which she making the houses and all, is playing building blocks. It's all on the floor. The toy train is also on the table. She kept the toy train which place? On the table. The toy cars were kept where? On the bed. So we came to know she likes to play toys, but she kept her blocks building on the floor. She kept all her toy train on the table. She kept the toy cars on the bed. Where is the teddy? Now she had one teddy bear also. Now where did she keep that? The teddy is in the bookshelf. Just see, the books you should have kept on the bookshelf, but no. Seema put teddy on the bookshelf. How funny, isn't it? Seema runs into the room. Now she is in the playing mood, so she runs in the room. Then what happened? She trips. Means her leg gets stuck on what? Her school bag, and she falls. As she falls, what happens? She gets hurt on the elbow. Now when you get hurt, what happens, children? What do? You start what? Crying, Mama, I got hurt, Papa, I got hurt, yes. So now Seema, she fell down, got hurt, crying. But why did he fell? It was her fault. If she would have kept the school bag in proper place, then she wouldn't have fallen down. Because she was playing. And when you're playing, your floor should be clear. You should not keep anything so that you don't skid or you trip. So she fell down and she met with an accident, got hurt. So children, you should always keep your things in proper place. Good children, clever children should keep their things in right place. Understood? Now what should Seema do so that she does not fall again? So what do you think? Here's a question. That what should Seema do so that she doesn't not fall again? She should keep her, what should be the answer? Seema should keep all her things in proper place. School bag should be kept on the table, and so that next time she doesn't mix with an accident and doesn't get hurt and she doesn't have to die. Children, I hope you enjoyed this story. Today I explained you the chapter. On the next literature class, we will be doing the exercises. It's clear to you? Today I have explained you the story, and on the next class, I'll be doing the exercises. One more thing, in the reading class, this Wednesday, on the reading class, I will make you practice this chapter reading, okay? And I'll give you some spellings from here which you learn for the next spelling class, which I'm going to dictate and take. Okay, student? So we need to practice reading also. Today I read out, I explained the chapter. So next, on the coming Wednesday, this Wednesday, when you have reading class, I'm going to read this chapter. You are going to read after me. We'll practice a little bit reading. And I'll give you the snapshot of hard words which you got to copy down in your exercise copy and learn. So take care. We'll meet again on my next class. Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe. And what? Keep all your things in proper place, just like good children. Yes, so that parents will feel very happy. They're thinking that, my God, my child is so good and he will not fall, he will not get hurt. So if you keep your things in proper place. Okay? See you. Take care.